What's up, guys? So today in this video I'm going to be teaching you guys how to upload your YouTube banner and profile picture on your laptop and on your iPhone. So first you're going to do it on the laptop. So it's actually quite simple. So first you want to just go to your YouTube page. You can do that by clicking your channel, and up here you're going to see the camera icon. So you want to click that. Once you get here, you can just simply change it right here. This is my new channel art I made. I'm going to be uploading a video on that too. Alright now guys, I'm going to teach y'all how to add your YouTube banner and profile picture on your iPhone. So first you want to go to youtube.com. You want to sign in. I'm going to ask you if you want to go to the app, just press cancel. You want to make sure you stay on the YouTube website. So after you do that, you want to go to your channel. Once you get here, you want to press on the three dots. You want to click desktop and click cancel when it asks you if you want to open up the YouTube app. So once you get here, you can just click on your banner, or click on the area for the banner at the top. Okay, so you're going to click continue to studio. Okay, now from here you can just add your profile picture and your banner image. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. We're going to redo it. And that's all to it. And then you want to click publish. And now it's published, and you can click view channel if you want to just see how it looks. There you go. And that's all for this video.